I'm Ethan McCORD. I graduated KWI about a year ago. I'm from Kentucky, graduated Kentucky Welding Institute. I come in to drop my hood off, swap it out for an outlaw leather hood because I made $100K with a month left before my 1 year out. I went to KWI because it's a good school to go to. They offer a lot of certifications, rigging, which I use a lot out in the field, and then like the hard work. They push you fast-paced or slow-paced. You know, take your time, learn what you can, and like Blake Hawkins, he always, every Friday, third shift, on the floor. Hot, cold, rainy, wet, you're on the floor. And that really helped me out a lot because whenever I went out to the field in Alabama, not every field was this easy jack stand weld. You know, you had to get in some tight spots, some binds, use that mirror a little bit. And Blake really helped me out with that, him being a tube welder. He knew how to use that mirror, which helped me out here as well as in the field. You know, if you don't want to hit it hard here, you ain't gonna be able to hit it hard out in the field. In Arkansas, I worked day shift for 3 months, and then they rolled me over to nights with 1 day off for 7/12s for 2 weeks, brought me back to days for 2 days, and then rolled me back over to nights. So I mean, it was go, 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 go as soon as we hit that shutdown time. And the guys out in the field, there's no exceptions, no excuses. You show up on time, 1 minute late is still late. You know, they dock you pay. So I mean, hit it hard, don't slow down, no excuses. All the certs y'all offer, the instructors are hot off the road, plenty of experience, they know what they're doing, they know what you're talking about. Good guys and they don't mess around. They worked inside the boilers, heaters, refineries, everything. They've been in it all. And they know how to run them 7/12s fast paced, so they kind of run it like that. You know, no BS, get to work. Alright. The certs here at KWI are really good. I graduated with my ADVS stick plate, flux, got my TIG combo, carbon. I did my stainless all the way out, 309. I did the ink canal, stainless and copper nickel on schedule 10. And that was right as I was about to graduate, so I just started working on the mirror just to get good at it. And then rigging. I got rigging, and I use that every day out in the field whenever I was in Alabama. We were constantly flying up pipe, flying up supports. It just worked out good for me because my fitter didn't always know all the correct hand signals, and it's better if you know all the signals, so that way the crane operator's not guessing, because it's real dangerous up there. So as long as you don't throw enough signals like this and use all the correct ones, you'll be good to go. So they do classroom here at KWI, which is, if you don't like classwork, like paper, pencil, test taking, this is the school for you. Because all in all, you spend about 60 hours in the classroom, and it all pertains back to welding, back to what you're going to be doing out in the field. So you spend an hour a day in the classroom for the first 3 months, and then after that, you spent every hour you had in the shop. And if you wanted to, or as I did, sometimes I would roll over to first shift and just practice a little more, you know, before I took that AWS test, or just practice just to get better. All I had to do was clear it with my foreman and clear it with the first shift foreman, and then we were good to go as far as all that goes. I got real lucky. I had Blake and Dalton, both extremely good welders, both extremely good teachers. So down here, if you're like late, you got cut rings, which helped me a lot out in the field because it's not anything I had to pay for, so it's something I had to work on. It's called work ethic. You show up on time, always be there, don't be scared to push a broom. I was pushing a broom one day, just piling up dirt. I was waiting, and I think it was just a slow day, we were wetting up pipe maybe. I was pushing a broom, my fitter was holding a shovel, and we were just shoveling up dirt all day long. And I actually walked past my foreman, and he said, it's hard to believe that young boy right there is a welder, because I was doing everything. If I needed help cleaning up fittings, I was cleaning up fittings, pushing a broom. I just did everything. I go to the tool room, whatever they needed. You know, once you get out there in the field, you're not always a welder. Sometimes you just gotta do what you don't want to do, but in the end it pays off, because after we finished up in Alabama, the foreman I worked for became a GF, and my GF became a super, and they took me straight with them to Arkansas, where we just finished up another job. Alright, so test taking, as far as the monsters, everything, like a monster you get 2 hours test time, which is no joke. You know, you're moving fast, trying to get the weld done, trying to make it look good, trying to make it pass bend. Whenever I took my first test down there in Alabama, it was 2 Schedule 40 tests. It was Schedule 40 carbon TIG out and Schedule 40 carbon combo. They gave us 3 hours to do them. I busted mine out in about an hour, hour and a half. Both of them done. And I just kind of sat down and grabbed a bite to eat, waited. All right, the 100K Club, I wanted to join it as soon as KWI started offering it. Like, I always tracked their Instagram. As soon as I seen the first guy make that 100K, I was like, I want to be that guy. I want to do that. So I seen Blake Hawkins made it, and Blake Hawkins taught me in weld school along with Dalton Grayson. And I wanted to be, you know, right there behind him, just as good a welder, just as hard a worker. So I made 100K with this hood, with a month left before I hit my 1 year graduate. And they protect the 100K Club, so it's not like anybody can just get in. You have to show them your pay stubs, your W-2s, everything. It's a club that I always wanted to be in. It's a club that everybody should want to be in. It just shows that, you know, you really strive to work at it, and you tried your best to do what you wanted to do, what you loved.